jingly trunk goes everywhere. Swing it high, swing it low. Watch that trunk put on a show. It's a hose, it's a straw, it's a tool of grace. The elephant's trunk is an awesome place. It gives a splash in the river wide, keeps the bugs off the elephant's side. It hugs a friend or grabs some hay. That clever trunk saves the day. Swing it high, swing it low. Watch that trunk put on a show. It's a hose, it's a straw, it's a tool of grace. The elephant's trunk is an awesome place. It can trumpet loud or hum a tune. It sprays water showers in the afternoon. A multi-tool so strong, so neat. An elephant's trunk is a wondrous feat. Swing it high, swing it low. Watch that trunk put on a show. It's a hose, it's a straw, it's a tool of grace. The elephant's trunk is an awesome place. So wave hello with your trunk so grand. Elephant magic across the land. Swing and spray, have some fun. The elephant's trunk is for